Welcome back, folks. Today we'll be showcasing another classic dish called Mapo Tofu. That's right. Mapo Tofu is a globally celebrated traditional Chinese dish originating from the province of Sichuan. The dish consists of silken tofu cubes set in a fiery glossy suspension of chili oil, savory fermented broad bean paste called Doubanjiang, minced meat, and tongue-numbing Sichuan peppercorns. The dish is defined by the Sichuan concept of mala, a combination of intense chili heat called ma and an anesthetic, buzzing numbness called la. So folks, if you dare want to learn how to make this classic Sichuan dish, well, stick around and I'll show you how to make them. So let's get started. Alright folks, for our ingredients we'll be using some chopped leeks, some chopped ginger, chopped garlic, some green onions here, and for our flavoring ingredient we'll be using some Sichuan style Mapo Tofu sauce packet here. And aside from that, we are using some, I'm powdering up some Sichuan peppercorns here. This is a key ingredient when making Mapo Tofu. This is the one that provides or gives that numbing sensation while eating that delicious Mapo Tofu. And we'll use some salt and pepper, some oil, some soy sauce, some cornstarch for our slurry, and for protein, I'm using some ground pork. This is about half a pound of ground pork. You can use ground beef as well if you like. And of course, our main ingredient, I got some diced tofu here. Either you use soft or firm. So let's do this. All right, folks. For starters, we're gonna be blanching our diced tofu here in some water, rolling boil, and that we're gonna add some salt. That's not ground black pepper. To that we're gonna add some salt. All right. Anyway, should be good. So we start by blanching our tofu for about a minute with some salt. This gets rid of the soybean taste and makes the tofu firmer and holds up in the cooking process, so you don't end up with mushy tofu. All right. When they start to dance, that should be good. See? See what I'm looking at? They're dancing now. The tofu is dancing. All right. I'm gonna drain this up, and when we come back, we'll start sauteing our beef. We don't have a beef. All right, we're back. Medium-high heat, folks. A little bit of oil there. Make sure the wok is oiled up. Woo! Look at that. Some salt and pepper. All right. Medium-high heat, folks. You can tell once the ground pork is perfectly cooked, the juices there are all cleared up. We're not there yet. Add a little bit of sauteing oil in here to get rid of that porky aftertaste, and adds that flavor too to the dish. Once that clears up, you can now add our garlic, our ginger, our scallions all together. All right. And leeks. A little bit of oil there. Add in some chili oil here. And that ground up Sichuan peppercorns. There you go. Some soy sauce. Teaspoon of soy sauce. We start adding in a packet of our Mapo Tofu sauce. Here you go. All right. Our tofu. To that we add some water. There you have it, folks. Let the tofu absorb all that delicious flavors of the Mapo Tofu sauce that we have here. And the chili oil there. Yum, yum. I'll give it a taste from here. Woo! Woo! Mapo Tofu. Wow. Got that numbing sensation. Time for a slurry. All right. There you have it, folks. Our Mapo Tofu. Add some scallions. And if you like, you can top it more of that Sichuan powder. There you have it, folks. Our Mapo Tofu. I thank you for watching, and until we cook again.